Hello everyone, welcome to Top Tech Tips. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare a logo in Adobe Illustrator for logo animation in After Effects. So, I have a logo here and I want to animate each part of the logos. In order to do that, I need to separate each part that I want to animate with to single layer. To do so, first, make sure you ungroup the object if it grouped together by right-click. Then, ungroup. You can still leave some objects grouped together, depending on how you want to animate them. So, in this case, I want to keep each letter of bicycle together when animating, so I leave them grouped. Once you are done that, you can go to this Layers button over here. If you do not see that, go to Windows. Then, click on Layers. To turn it on, click on the layer that you want to separate into individual layers, then, click on the hamburger icon. Select Release to Layers Sequence. So, now all the layers are separated. Select all the layers, click, and drag them out of the main layer. This layer is empty now, so we can delete it. Now, let's rename each layer to facilitate the next step, which is animation. Save it. Then, open After Effects. Drag and drop the Illustrator file to the project panel. Double-click on the composition you just imported. Voila! It is now ready for some fun animation work. That's it for now. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.